is, haha.
Oh,
Your burp. 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. Welcome back to StrengthenX. This is the second part of our 4-part series on bodybuilding, or should I say our lean, mean, clean machine beam.
Yes.
For the 4-part series.
Basically, guys, it's a 4-part series. This is part 2.
Part 2
of your four workouts, 4 full body workouts.
Full body workouts for beginners.
Yes.
So, without further ado, shall we get into the video?
Yeah, let's just crack on with it.
Okay, watch it. Watch now.
Perfect. Perfect.
There you go, guys, that's your second workout for the week. So part 1, again, make sure you check that out. That's part 2. Any questions or queries you have about any of those workouts, just drop in the comments below. The description of the rep ranges and sets of all the exercises are all also in the description, so check those out, along with our Instagram and our Facebook.
Instagram and our Facebook.
Yes.
Yes, as you said, if you're struggling with not just the full routine, but any particular exercise that you're really struggling with, that you find in the actions like not very smooth, you feel stiff, I don't know, there's something that doesn't feel right, drop a comment with which exercise it is that you are really struggling with, and we'll do a future video after this 4-part series on that particular exercise, so you guys can get a full breakdown of how to do that exercise efficiently.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out all our previous videos. The links are here and here, and then subscribe in the middle. Subscribe, notification bell, so you know when we're posting out videos. Also like and share, get this out to your friends.
Excellent.
Share.
Share.